Just going upstairs to do some vacuuming, and it's so messy in here. These are my rats. There they are. There they are. There's your rats. They're so cute. Aren't they? Like, no. They're so cute. Hello. Hello. Oh, hello. Look. Hello. Hello. Those are my rats. They're quite nice, but they can be quite messy, and it's never that much fun. No, I'm just doing the vacuuming, and that's always mostly fun as well. And yeah. That mighty strength in me. That's such a good view. Oh yeah. Doing the vacuuming. Not very good when you do. But it's good fun. It's hard work. But it is worth it. I have finished. Now I'm just taking the head off it. Make it more easier to store. It's good fun-ish. There we are. Make it even smaller. And press the like at the bottom of the YouTube feed. Hi, I'm Matthew Houghton. I'm 18 and I just started videoing. It's good fun, and you should subscribe to my channel because it's good to see lots of different things. These nice furry animals. I can't see you. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. Yeah, it's been a long day. I'm just gonna go to the shops and do a little experiment, and hopefully see you soon.